So it's a 9-inch rainbow trout. We're using a 4/0 Gamakatsu circle hook, and we're hooking him through the roof of the mouth, coming out the snout, just like that. So we're gonna put him out 20 foot from the planer board, and we'll be pulling 1/2 mile to 1 mile per hour, stop and go pattern, zigzag pattern, and hopefully we'll get a big striper on. You know, my goal is to catch a 30-pound striper in the kayak. So far I've caught a 25-pounder, but haven't broken that 30-pound mark. So we have about 6 feet out, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And we'll be running these planer boards, about the outside ones, about 50 feet from the kayak, and the inside ones about 20, 25 feet from the kayak. So we'll get a good spread out, get this first one out. You know, these fish are hungry. So this is a great time of year to put some quality stripers in the boat. And you know, I feel good about today. Man, this is just great to be out here in God's beautiful creation and experience this cold, brisk weather. Wind is not blowing. It's just refreshing. It makes you feel alive. Gets that heart pumping in anticipation of this big fish we're going to catch. You know, be honest with you, in this lake, if we catch one striper, that's a good day. Anything after that one striper is excellent. So let's see what happens today. Trout number 2. And you better hold him in the net, because trout are hard to hold on to. Again, Chris's bait shop. It's my supplier. Chris is a good guy. He's got a great business. Caters to fishermen, live bait and tackle. So I'll put the link to his contact info. There he goes, trout number 2. Fish on, fish on. Woo! Trying to get him away from the stumps, y'all. Then we'll work to get him in front of us. Feels like a good one. Now we go to get him in front of the kayak. I'll make that J-turn or U-turn. Supposed to net him head first, by the way. Is a horse. Let's see. The gripper on him. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Oh, goodness. Woo! Woo! What a beautiful fish.